up? We're back in the video, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here's a very unusual. This is Hamilton of Western, but he's going in reverse with the. I didn't notice, but I guess I have two conductors. But anyway, they're going in reverse today with the engine not leading. The engine was leading till now when it spun around, run around the car, and then now the engine's trailing. I guess it's trailing, not leading. It's weird. The one covered hopper possibly heading straight to Fillmore in reverse. It's different. Here it is right now. It is. Back up just a little bit more. There he is right now. 48th Street grade crossing. Here we go. Car here, look at that. 14 to 16, there it goes. Reverse. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Might catch them one more time and then I'll be it. Rail Fan Landon out. What's up, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon here at Interchange Drive. Here is Hamilton Northwestern. Here we go. Pretty quick too. I think he's going down to Fillmore, but I won't get this the last sketch I'll have tonight. It's gonna be dark soon. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon, Rail Fan Landon out.